Hi, I'm Christou, the instructor of this course on how to draw male characters. Drawing stylized male characters is a ton of fun, simply because of the never-ending types of characters that you can come up with. From superheroes and villains to a crazy magician, a barbaric warrior, or even just a regular dude off the block. This will not just be a regular course, but kinda like a school with an ongoing library of tutorials, which simply means I will be adding new content through time on tackling specific subjects to help you improve your skills, and also I'll be adding more demonstrations of new characters for you to try out. The course is broken down into 3 major sections. I start by teaching you my 7 basic head shapes and all the facial features to form a strong foundation blueprint so that you can use as a reference. We then take what we learned to create 15 different expressions and hairstyles for personality. This foundation stage will help you to come up with multiple characters. Stage 2 is breaking down 4 different body types by learning how to draw the torso, the arms, the legs, the hands and the feet for a macho, overweight, lean and skinny character. Stage 3 is the fun part. I gather references together with the foundation blueprints to help inspire, learn and guide us to create 12 fun characters. Those are 3 macho characters, 3 overweight characters, 3 lean characters and 3 skinny characters. This is a drawing course, so you can simply follow along with any digital painting software or a traditional pencil and paper. The video training is 7 hours long, broken down into short videos that are 100% practical, detailed demonstration and explanation for all levels. You can stream the course on any device or download the video files to view offline. And as a bonus, you can download all the foundation blueprints along with the artwork demonstrated throughout this whole course to keep and to follow along. I'm Christou. Join me in this training on how to draw male characters. I can't wait to see you inside the course here on Toonboxstudio.com. For more information, check out the link in the description or head over to Toonboxstudio.com. I'll see you inside the course.